Welcome everyone. So today I'm going to show you a very simple strategy you can use to earn a lot of money on Adsterra account. Okay, so let me first of all just log into my account and show you how you can proceed from there. So just open your Adsterra account and log into your account, and let me show you a very simple way you can use to earn money. It doesn't depend whether you're using a mobile phone or your laptop. This strategy is actually going to help you. Now we are going to add website into our work. All right, we are going to add a very valid website, a website you can use to earn money from it, and a website your ads are going to pop up. So I'm going to show you guys how your ads are going to pop up on your website. You're going to create a website for yourself. You're going to do everything for yourself. This is basically a simple strategy I am actually going to teach you on this particular YouTube channel. All right, so first of all, you simply need to do is just please and go ahead, subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, leave a nice comment, and let's proceed with this video. Now, if you check under the description, there is a link to my Telegram out there. Please go ahead and join me out there, and let's continue on how you can add a website to your work right now here. Now, let's come to this aspect here and click on website. Now, once I click on website, you can get to know that I have two websites actually running here. So I'm going to show you how you can add this to your website and show you a lot of some indicators you can add it to your website. So whenever anyone tap of anywhere in your website, it will pop up as an Adsterra ad for you to earn into your Adsterra account. All right, so let me basically show you how you can do it. So first of all, you're going to use this free blogging website. All right, so most of you might be wondering, it's been blogger always, but trust me, this is a process I'm actually living or giving it out from my wall. All right, this is a free course for you guys. I should have even made this as a course to pay, but this is a free course I'm going to show you. Right, so just click on blogger. So any pop that will come out. So this is currently some of my work that I've been using for trials. All right, so once you open your blogger, come to this aspect here and click on new blog. So what is the name of your new blog that you want to choose? All right, so let's say my new blog is going to be, so before you enter your new blog, let me show you this. Go to your new page, and just open DeepSeek. All right, just open DeepSeek. Now you're not going to write any article, so don't worry. All right, so open DeepSeek. Once you open DeepSeek, this is what you're actually going to tell DeepSeek. Now all you want to tell DeepSeek is to give you names of block of technology feed. All right, so copy that and then come back to DeepSeek and paste it out here. All right, okay, so once you just give it to DeepSeek, you're gonna process you some of the block of technology feed that they know. All right, so this is what they are gonna give you. So what you're basically gonna do here is to copy any of these, the name of them. All right, so these are some of the most popular technology blogs that we know. That means what we are gonna promote is, or what we are going to do is technology feed that they're gonna produce out here. All right, so choose any of these names. So I would like to choose, let's say, digital trends. All right, so you copy digital trend only. All right, so you copy that only, come back to your blogger and make it as your title. Click on next. All right, once you click on next, use that same as your blog spot. So it's gonna show you it exists. So make sure to either add zero, let's say close the, either you close the spaces or you add some kind of numbers to it, let's say 2 3 or 0. So make sure to just do this to make sure to get the correct one. All right, so let's say I want to add another xx, let's say trends. All right, so I think this one is right now available. So once you get to know that this one is available, just click on save. Okay, so once we click on save, it's gonna automatically show up here. It's processing, so let's allow it to process as I'm taking you through. So it have now been processed. So this is a new blog, or this is the new interface we are coming to work out with. All right, good. So what we simply need to come and do here next is to come to this aspect which says theme. All right, now we are going to change everything. We are not going to use anything similar to bloggers layout. All right, we're going to change our layout. We are going to change everything related to this particular video. Right, you're not going to use anything here. We are going to customize our own. All right, so what you're going to do here is to come to the add page and then come here and type in trendy free version. All right, trendy um trendy free version. All right, click on this. Now once you click on trendy free version, go ahead and download this blogger template, or download comes down here and download this particular one, trendy news feed. All right, download it into your gallery or into your photos or into your files. Yes, it's gonna rather save into files, so download it into your files. Once you are finished with the downloading, it's gonna pop up at the top here. It's gonna pop up at the top here. All right, good. So after you've been able to download that, come back to your blogger and then click on this icon right down here. Click on restore. All right, once you click on restore, it's gonna tell you to upload. All right, it's gonna tell you upload, but before you upload it, come to where you downloaded that particular feed. All right, that particular feed. So let's say this is where okay, I'm trying to locate where I downloaded it. Okay, so this is my trendy free version. All right, so just copy it into your desktop or copy it somewhere you're gonna find it, and then right click on your mouse or whatever you have it there and extract it. All right, once we extract it, you're gonna get it in a very good version. You can insert it into your work. All right, so go ahead and extract. So let's say this is my work, this is my trendy work, right? I have to extract, so click on extract. So it's gonna take time to extract this for you, right? So I already extracted, so there is no need for me to do that. So once we extract it, you're gonna have something similar like this or like this on the screen right now here. All right, so you're gonna have something like that on the screen right now there. So once you've been able to do this, you have been able to extract it. Now come back to your work, come back to your work, and then click on the upload button there. Now once you click on the upload, it's going to show you something like this. Right here you just have your work. Go ahead, so you can see the trendy free version. Click on that and click on open. Now it's going to take time to, you see, reinstalling theme. That means it's going to process the work into your work. Right, so it has been uploaded. You can see modified right now here. That means it have actually worked. Now what you will basically gonna do is to come to view blog. Now once you click on view blog, you can see it in a different way. So let's wait as the page is download. All right, so this is trendy. You can see this is our new style of the blog. All right, so once you click on anything here, it's gonna show you like different thing altogether, right? So you can see this is what we have right now. So this is where we can start working with everything. Now in case I click on food, this is how it's gonna look. It's gonna be blocked. All right, it's gonna be blocked. I'm just typing it, so I'm just clicking on it for you to see. After our work, you're gonna see what we've been able to do. So once we tap on anything, it's not going to work for you. It's actually not going to. So in case I click on fashion, it's gonna be blocked. It's not going to work for you, right? So we are actually preparing our own work, our own website, our own blog. All right, so that's what we're basically going to do. So you're going to use this plus Adsterra to make a lot of money. All right, good. Now in case you have all this, in case you don't want to you don't want food in your categories, you can see food here, you can see travels here, you can see shop, lifestyle, fashion, home. In case you don't want any of these and you want to remove some of them, all you basically need to do is just come back to your work and click on layout. Now once you click on layout, what you simply need to do here is to come scroll down here and locate main menu rather, and click on edit. Now once you click on edit, it's going to show you this something like this. All right, so in case I don't want food, I'll go ahead and delete food. Right, once I delete food, now let's come here and refresh our page. You're going to see that there will be no food here. Right, so let's click refresh our page. So it's gonna delete from here. All right, it's gonna be deleted from there. So let's proceed the work. After that, I'll get to show you guys how this actually works. All right, so once you are done with the deleting, just save it. All right, I think I didn't save it, that's why it was just popping up. So let's try to refresh and see if it, you can see food has been deleted from there. That means we don't want food in our blog, meaning we are not going to produce any content, we're not going to write anything related to food in our website or in our blog. All right, so this is what you're simply going to have on this particular interface. Now once you are done with this, come back to your work here and then scroll down and up if you don't have anything to add, and then we are good to go. Now once you are done it like this, all you simply need to do is to come to your work, trend beats, and let's copy this. All right, copy the u all right, so come here and copy the URL. All right, so in case this is my URL, copy it and open your Adsterra account. All right, so just log into your account, Adsterra account as a publisher, and here is where you're gonna have your interface. All right, so once you copy it, come to this aspect which says websites. All right, so once you come to websites, just click on add website. So go ahead and insert in your work right now here. This is my URL. So what category of website have I produced? It's a social work. All right, it's a social one. So what I have to do here is just click on this social. All right, click on social. Now what type of ads do you want them to display on your work? Right, so what type of ads do you want it to display on your work? So in case I want propaganda, native banners, banners, direct links, social bars, then I'll go ahead and select it. So in this case I want propagandas. Now I said it in one of my videos. I'm going to take time to explain to you the ad unit or the ad formats. So just stay tuned. If you're really enjoying this particular video, subscribe to this particular YouTube channel, like this video, leave a nice comment as this video proceed. Don't forget to join me in my Telegram channel. The link can be found under the description of this particular video. All right, so once you are done with this, just click on add. Now once you click on add, it's going to take time or few minutes to be active for you. All right, so they're going to send you an email to get to know that you have requested for a website addition. All right, so I'm going to take time to make this one active. All right, so you can see it is on pending. All right, so whilst you're waiting it, so let's wait for it to be for it to finish pending. All right, for it to be active. Oh, it is clean. All right, guys, so you can see right now our website or our URL website that we added here has been active. So once you click on this section here, you can see active right now here. Now what you have to do next is to come to this aspect here which says get code. Right, click on get code, and what you're gonna do here is to paste the code right before the closing tab that of that. So just follow whatever I'm doing right now here. So the next thing you're gonna do here is to come back to your blog or come back to your work. All right, so this is where we are doing our work. So and come back to this place which says layouts. All right, no, come back to this place says theme. All right, and click on this aspect, click on edit HTML. All right, HTML is gonna open something like view coding, something like that. All right, so what you basically gonna do here is just place your cursor or your cursor elsewhere and just click on Control plus F. It's gonna give you this thing sees here search. All right, it's gonna give you this thing called search. Now once you get this, come back to your Adsterra, and then copy from here where this sign begins to this aspect. All right, and click on copy, and then come back to your work here and then paste it at this section here. Once you paste it, just click on enter. It's gonna take you to this section right now here. All right, so click on enter again to get one space. Once you get that, come back to your Adsterra, copy the code. So this is the code, right? Copy the code, come back here, and then we paste it right now here. Now once you are done, click on save. Right, what we have basically done is we've added our ads into our website. This is how we've been able to add our websites or our ads, how our ads are going to pop up into our website. Now let's go back to our work and let me show you guys something right now here. So let's refresh the page, and then just as I said, once I click on anything, it gave us something like blocked. All right, all our indicators that we click on it earlier was blocked. Now that we've added our Adsterra ads into our blog, click on any ads and look at what we are basically going to get. It's going to open an ad for you. All right, so you can see it is loading a particular ad right now here. So let me try to refresh this and show you guys. All right, good. So I think it's still loading. All right, so we have this ads right now here because all the indicators here, so all the indicators, our this picture, our everything here, our this indicators, home, fashion, have been affected. You can see that it is still loading. So this is what I tap on it, it opened. This is an ad from Adsterra. So in case I click on home button here, it's gonna give me something different, which is my Adsterra rig. All right, my Adsterra ads, which is the Popanda ads that I added. All right, so this is basically what we are actually trying to do. All right, good. So this is our ad working everywhere. So in case you start publishing your work or you start working on this ad, this is your interface. So your work will be showing here once you start typing your work or introducing your work. Whenever someone tap on travel, anything related to your work, the person is going to be introduced to an ad for you to work. Now once you are done like this, we are not still yet done. What we're basically going to do, we are going to make our this work very legit work, our website to be a professional website in order for us to be top ranking always. All right, so what you're going to do is just open a new tab and just enter IFTTT. All right, I don't know how to pronounce that name, but IFTTT. This is what you're gonna have is automate business and home. What you're basically gonna do is you're gonna operate it in a very large way. All right, in a very large volume. So whatever you want to do here, you have to do it in a very large way. All right, so if you're please really enjoying this particular video, go ahead and subscribe, like this particular video, leave a nice comment as this video proceed, and also don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content just like this. All right, so once you're done, just click on read the first link. Use the first link here. All right, once we click on the first link, it's gonna take time to open something like this for you. Now once you get here, what you're basically gonna do here is to just click on this button which says create. All right, once we click on create, it's gonna give you a different thing altogether. So what you're basically gonna get here is to click on add. All right, so once you click on add, what you're gonna do here is to search for we are actually going to do here is to search for RSS feed. All right, RSS feed. All right, this is what you're looking for. All right, so once you get here, just click on new feed item. Right, new feed item. Now what you're supposed to do here is to just feed URL. So what you're gonna do, just open a new tab again and go ahead and enter this particular command which says technology, news RXX feed. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna get this thing. So use the second one, which is the gadget one. All right, gadget 360. So use that one. All right, so once you click on that, we are actually focusing on PC laptops. All right, just click on this one, click on PC laptops, and then copy the URL of this week. All right, so copy the URL. Once you copy the URL, come back here and insert your URL here. Click on create trigger. All right, so once you click on or creating trigger, it's gonna take time to process something for you. Just click on add. All right, once you click on add, it's gonna take time to open these services for you. Go ahead and click on search for blogger. All right, so you're using this blogger because you're focusing on blogger. Choose a service which is blogger. Click on create a post. Create a photo post you're gonna use to create a post. So click on create a post. So this is an account I've already added. All right, so once you get here, since I have added account, it's gonna tell you to sign in with an email. So we use your email to sign in. Once you are done with the signing in, once you're done with the signing in, it's gonna automatically combine your blogger account to, or the name of your blogger account to this particular post or this particular feed right now here. Now once you have been already been able to combine, it's gonna show you all this. I've already combined mine, and I cannot go ahead and continue from this video because to add a new account I have to pay this amount of money, right? So what you're basically gonna do is to just go ahead and do just as I've just said it in my video, right? It's gonna show you to add an account. So once you click on one, it's gonna show you to create an account or sign up an account. Once you do that, you are going to end up or get to where I've already gotten to, right? So that's how it's actually gonna look for you out there. All right, so just do that, and then your work is now legit. You can start writing your content in your blogger account. So right now, as you have finished with everything, go ahead to your new post and then start whatever you want to start with your work. All right, so once you finish writing your work is going to look very simple in a good format in this way. All right, so once anybody tap on, you want to join your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, your Pinterest, your YouTube, you are basically going to get in you are basically going to get into viewing ads. These ads are from Adsterra. So once I click on home button fashion right now here, it's gonna introduce an ad format for me. All right, so once I click on the home button, it's gonna introduce an ad format for me. So just do that, and then you can see there is an ads loading. I click on the home button, and you can see there is an ads loading. There's an ad from Adsterra. All right, so this is how it actually works. So go ahead and start doing something similar like this, and I think it's actually going to help you. If you found this very interesting, all you simply need to do is just follow, like, leave a nice comment, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop such an amazing content just like this. Keep us moving, and I hope to see you in my next video.